Hello everyone, Sultan here and welcome to part 2 of how to create a successful butterfly marketing funnel using groovefunnels. Okay, so what we're going to cover in this video is how to create the actual funnel. I'm going to show you how to create the product funnel inside Downsell, how to create the membership site, and how to create the funnel inside of groovepages. But before we begin, I just want to mention that there is a link down below if you wanna create a profitable online affiliate marketing business. Then check out the link down below. Okay guys, so let's begin. Okay, here is the breakdown of my funnel. It is one front end, one free offer, and a one-time offer. Okay, the free offer is a $497 value. That's what I valued it myself. I don't know how would you value it, but it depends on how you see it. Okay, what I'm going to reveal in this course is you are going to learn how to create a product and sell it using only groovefunnels. All the techy things are revealed, simple and easy step-by-step videos, and you will get done for you sales pages. Done for you sales page and squeeze page and OTO page template, and a done for you membership site template. Okay, just change the images and just put your content, and that is it. Okay, and if someone decided to promote groove domination, which is this offer that I'm going to create, he is going to get 50% commissions across the whole funnel. Okay, the one-time offer, I will cover every Groove app in a detailed step-by-step video, all the 12 apps plus the featured apps. Okay, I'm going to give them 30 done for you funnels ready to go to promote your affiliate offers. I'm going to give them done for you websites and funnel templates for affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants. You will receive a new template each month. Okay, a one-on-one coaching call with me regarding anything Groove twice a month, and you will get my affiliate Rolodex full of affiliate offers I recommend you to promote, and you will get 85% commissions if you decided to promote Groove dominations in the future. Okay, the Downsell, I will cover all the Groove apps, only the 6 apps, and I will not cover the featured apps in this Downsell. I will only give them 15 done for you funnels, and I will only give them 1 coaching call per month, and I will give them my affiliate Rolodex of affiliate offers, and they will get 85% commissions. But I am thinking about giving them 75%, but that is not fair. Okay, there is another Downsell, which is the $97 per month Downsell. It is the same as the one-time offer, but this is drip feeded. Okay, this drip feeded version, he will get a new section unlocked every month, so he will be subscribed as long as possible. Okay, so this is my funnel. I'm going to create it and follow up with me. So now I am inside of Groove member dashboard. I'm going to create my membership site. Go to membership, and I already created my membership site. If you don't know how to do that, I will show you. I will link a video down below showing you how to do that. But go to manage membership, manage courses, and I only created the front end. Once again, I will link the video showing you how to create the front end offer down below in the description if you don't know how to create it yourself. Okay, so I now created the front end offer. I will show you what it is. Here it is, like so. But now I want to create the one-time offer. Okay, like you see, the theme and the design, I like it so much, like you see here. it looks really good. And I also have my affiliate link right here. And yeah, what else? I also will give them some bonuses, which is access to the done-for-you templates and so on. So what I'm going to do is I want to go back. I want to go to the home, go to courses, and I just want to clone this membership site, or just click on the copy icon right here, click on it, and now if you click on the refresh, it will be cloned like you see. When you click on the settings, I want to change the image, and this is the one-time offer. Okay, and I will say here the description, which is this one. Here is the sales page URL. You must put a sales page URL, and the instructor, which is me. The default category, which is group domination. You can create another category if you want. I want to remove this image. I want to choose another image. You can create this image using Canva or Group Designer Pro. Here it is. I want to select it. Click on update, and here is your one-time offer course. Now what you are going to do is go back, go to membership, and now I want to click on manage membership, which is my membership, manage courses. I want to add a course from library, okay, and I want to select, I cannot see it, so when I go to group domination, I think it is because it is not live, so let's make it live because it is hidden at the moment. So let me go to courses again, and let's make this course, let's publish it. So now the course is published. Now let's go back, memberships, edit the membership, manage courses, and I want to add a course from library, and here it is. Select it, and I think, yeah, click on select again. Here it is. Your one-time offer is already inside your membership site. Now what I'm going to do also, I want to go to the membership, and I want to edit this membership. I would just want to change the image, like the feature image. So I want this image, select it, update settings. Now let's create the course content. Let's edit it real quick. Go to manage courses, and let's go to one-time offer, group domination one-time offer, edit course. Here it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change some things in here, like group domination one-time offer, and the description is this one. I think it is not, I think I need to change the color. Yeah, I think I need to copy it and paste it again. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I want to go to the outline. I want to change the outline a little bit. So the welcome, I want to go to the start here. I want to edit the name, so click the three dots and click on edit. I want to remove this, click on save, go back, scroll down, and let's check the welcome, and I want to change the image here. Edit, scroll down till you see the image, the feature image, select it, and here it is. What else I want to change? I think nothing, except I want to remove this, because once you've got the one-time offer, I'm sure you already have the lifetime version of Groove, the Premium Plus or the Platinum version. Alright, or I will just leave it. What else? I think I will just add the welcome video in here, and let's scroll. Let's see the orientation. The orientation is a walkthrough at the members area. I will leave it at that. The main training, I will edit it. Click on the three dots, edit, Okay, click on save. Now I want to remove all of these content. Okay, real quick. My computer is acting weird because it is now really slow for some reason. I think I need to hide my face. Let's continue. I think it is because of my face. My recording was too slow. So let's continue with removing the other content. So now I removed all the content in the main training. So what I'm going to do is, the first one is for groovepages. Okay, like so. And I will say in the description is learn everything you need to know about groove pages, like so. And I want to remove the feature image. I want to add another image, which is this one. Select it, click on save, and here it is. This is the groove pages section. And now let me separate the sections in here, like let me see, like this video is about a quick walkthrough to groove pages. This is a subheading, and I want it to be center, like so. I want to remove this button because this is content focused. So what I'm going to do is I just want to add more videos and more content to this membership area. What? I don't know what happened. We'll just add it again. Like so. This is a quick walkthrough at groove pages. Now let me add the rest of the content and I will get back to you guys real quick. By the way, this in the next section it will be, I will speed up the video so I will not bore you, but if you decided to skip this video, it is totally up to you. So guys, for the purpose of this to make this video quicker, so I just wanna make this to the point. Just add your content, and that is it, guys. I just wanna add the Groove webinar, and I will add the rest of the content later. So yeah, let's say we are done creating the membership site. I will add the videos later, don't worry about that. So let's go back, and now I have the one-time offer and the front end as it is. So what is next? I want to create a downsell for the one-time offer, so I want to go to the home and courses. I want to clone this course, okay, the one-time offer course. Now let me refresh the page, and here it is. Now I want to go to the settings and change the one-time offer to downsell. I want to remove the clone, and I want to edit only this 6 apps, and only the 6 apps, the 6 essential apps. The instructor is me, and I think I will update the sales page later, and that is it. I want to make it live, publish it. It is now published. Now let's go back to the home and go to memberships, Groove Domination membership, manage courses, add a course from library, and here is the downsell. Select it, click on select again, and here is the downsell. Okay, let's edit the course real quick. So let me change the name, go to the document, go to the downsell, and here it is. Copy and paste. Like so. And then click on save. Now go to outline, and you just wanna remove some content, like I don't want to show them the Groove webinar because it is not essential. It is not essential to their business. Alright, now let's go back again to the outline, and let's remove the Groove blog and the Groove cards. Groove blog and Groove card. Once it is scrolling, go to the outline again, and I will remove the Groove blog, or I'll just keep it because it is 6 now. Okay, now I want to go back, and now the downsell is ready. The next thing is go to your groovemember dashboard, click on membership, manage membership, and then click on manage access levels. Create a new access level. We want to create an access level for each course. Okay, so this is the access level for the free version, the free offer. Click on next. Now I want to choose the front end course and click on next, and then I want to give them instant access to the whole content. Now click on save and exit. I want to create another access level, and this is the one-time offer. Click on next, choose the one-time offer course, and then click on next again, and you will also give them instant access to the whole membership site. Save and exit. You want to create another access level, and this is the downsell. Save and next, downsell, next, here it is. Save and exit. Another access level. This is the monthly, OTO monthly. Next, then go and select the one-time offer, click on next, and you want to drip feed the whole sections. Okay, so I want to give them instant access to the welcome section, and the main training I only want to give them instant access to the groove pages section, and for the rest of the sections I want to give them a drip, so they will get access to the groove member after 30 days of them subscribing, and then the groovesell after 60 days of subscribing, and so on. Okay, 120 days, and here 150 days, and groove card is 180 days, and the last is groove webinar. I will give them after 110 days. Save. The bonuses, they will get instant access to the whole bonuses. Now save and exit. Now your access levels are created like you see. Now you want to go back to the groovesell. Go to groovesell, and we want to create the product funnel. Okay, so click on new funnel. I want to remove the groove domination funnel. We will create it from scratch, because like I said, there is two commission types. For the ones who got the free course, they will get 50% commissions, and the paid subscriber will get 85% commissions. So I will create two product funnels. Okay, and then I will create two sales funnels on groove pages. Okay guys, so let's do this right now. I am now on groovesell. Let's open groove pages in a new tab. Okay, let me go to my global styles, which is my groove style guide. Check it down below in the description. Just sign up for free in Groove, and get the groove style guide as a bonus for your signing up. Okay, go to assets, funnels, and I wanna click on the plus. I wanna have a blank funnel. I wanna go back, and I wanna rename this funnel to groove domination. Let's see, 50% commissions, butterfly marketing, or BF. Now save. Now open the funnel and click on the plus, and just add a new pages, blank pages, and we want to edit it one by one. Okay, so this is the front end. Let me have a name. So this is the sales page, sales FE. I'm going to create another page, which is this one, and rename it to OTO or sales OTO. Another page, this is the thank you page, rename it to TY or thank you FE. Click on the plus again, a new blank template, and TY OTO. Another one, which is the downsell, rename it TY downsell. What else? I forgot to create the downsell sales, so create another page, blank page. I'm gonna drag it up like so. I think I messed some things up. Let me exit, go back, funnels, and this is the downsell. Drag it and drop it in here. Click on it like so. Click on the three dots, rename it sales downsell or DS, and I think that is it. That is it for the 50% commissions for the free version. Go back. We want to create another funnel, blank funnel. Go back and rename it. Or guys, let me just duplicate the same funnel. I'll just remove this and duplicate this funnel, clone it, the same site, and clone like so. Let it load. So it is being cloned like you see. Now I just need to change the permalink. So go to the settings and just change this to 85 and just remove if there is a copy. No, there is not. Let's see this again. Go to funnels and go back. This is the cloned funnel. This is the sales page. It's kinda messy, so I just wanna organize it. This is the sales page front end. This is the OTO sales page, and this is the downsell sales page, and thank you, like that. Okay, click on the sales page, the front end sales page. It is saving, by the way. Let it take its time. Now go to the settings and change this to 85, or undo this, remove this copy and change this to 85 like so, like that. Save it, and I will do the same for the rest of the pages, so bear with me. I will do it and I will come back to you guys. And now all the names are changed like you see. For the, I forgot to change the funnel name, so let's rename it real quick. Click on edit, 85%, save, and that is it guys. So now what we are going to do is create the product funnel. Let me save my settings in here. Now go back to Groovesell. We want to create a new product funnel. Okay, but before that you need to publish the pages, and I will tell you why. So publish, you must have a domain, but I will publish it in the Groove subdomain at the moment. So I will say Groove domination or just GD. It's not available. GDBF, it's available. Let's publish it. The page is now published successfully. Now what we are going to do is you want to grab every link. So go to the front end sales page and just grab the link. Click on publish again and get the current page link. For some reason it is not opening. Open it again. I get the 400 for some reason. I think this needs, let's open it in an incognito, the same. Let me open the OTO, publish, open the page, still the same. I think there is an issue with Groove. Well, that's unfortunate. It's a problem with Cloudflare. So I'll just wait for it. I'll just wait for it to load, but this is our link, by the way. I'll just copy it and go to a doc. Open this document. And this is the front end sales page, I think. Let me check again. Yeah, this is the front end sales page. And let me grab the OTO sales page. Just copy it and paste it in your document. Now go to groovefunnels again and just grab your Downsell sales page, copy it, go to groovefunnels again and get the thank you page for the front end. Let me open it again. For some reason it gives me a 400 badge request. I think I'll contact the support again. I think there is an issue with Groove these days. So this is the thank you page. Now go and check the OTO page, OTO thank you page. Copy it and just have it in here. The last page is this one, the thank you Downsell page. Copy it and paste it in here because we need it later. Now the 85% commission sales funnel. Let me go back and grab our links and I will get back to you guys. Now I grabbed all the links like you see. Now what I need to do is go to Groovesell and just create the product funnel. Okay, so before that let me go and contact the support and I will get back to you again. I think now the issue is fixed. I just republished the pages. Oh my god. Well, some pages are working, not all of them. Let me open it in a new incognito tab. Yeah, still not working. This is so frustrating, but I contacted the support and they will see what the issue is. There is some pages that are working and some aren't, which is unfortunate. I think it is the percentage icon in here. So let me remove the percentage and I will get back to you guys. So like you see, I have removed all the percentages in here and let's publish it again and see if it works. Now the site is published. Let me open this, the front end. Let me go to the document and just remove the percentage and open it in a new tab. Still a 400 request. I still need to remove the percentage in here. I removed it now. Enter. Yep, it is the percentage. So let me edit the let me just edit the links in here and I will get back to you. Now our links are ready. Now we need to create the product funnel. Sorry guys. So new product funnel, and just this is the groove domination funnel and a 50% commission. I cannot add numbers in here. Yes, I can add it. 50% commissions. Copy it and paste it in the description also. This is a business category, and I will just leave the domain to go to .imscope.online. I wish I could use the groovefunnels domain, but I cannot. Create a product funnel. Now I will create the front end product. Okay, click on edit and it will move you to the steps. Now change the icon, the logo, to the groove domination or whatever logo you have, and make sure you add a product name, internal name, and description. The front, this is a front end offer. Save and next. Now the price point, this is free. Okay, so I will add $0. So save and next. There is no payment gateway because this is free. Save and next, and here you want to add the sales page URL. So you want to go back to the document. I just copy and paste the sales page URL in here, like so. The thank you page, which is, I think, is this one right here. Copy it and paste it in here. The refund period is 30 days. 0 days. Make it 0 days because this is free. And the support, yes. I want to add an email, and the email is sultan.imscope.online. Sorry, sultan@imscope.online. Now save and next. I like the pink color, and the product image, I disable it. The customization, I like it to be poppins or mozzarella, and the heading size is large, like so. Okay, the fields, I want to remove the address field, the city and postal code, the phone, the company. I don't need to grab these informations. I will leave these options as it is, but you can add a custom tracking code in here. Legal, you can add a privacy policy or any terms and conditions if possible. Language, there is only one language, which is English at the moment. Quantity, the password, you need to ask for a username and a password, and save and next. You don't want to activate the bump offer because you don't have any bump offer. This is free. Save and next. And the thank you page, the price, after they get access to the front to the free offer, they will go straight to the upsell URL, which is this one, the one-time offer. I will just copy it and paste it in here, like so. You can enable advanced tracking and you can enable Facebook conversion API, but I won't. Save and next. Now the fulfillment, you want to add the membership. Select the membership, which is groove domination. Select the access level, which is the free front end membership or course. Okay, so save and next. Activate affiliate program, and you want to give them, of course, 100% commissions, and I think that is it. Save and next. and you can create a proof widget in here. Like, I will add a name like my name in here. The display, sorry, just purchased groove domination, or just sign up to Groove. The display, you can display it. You can display it after maybe 10 seconds. And number of contacts, make it 5. And you can choose to display it on the mobile, which I will. Now click on create and save and next. Now you are finished. Now copy the tracking code, go to the funnels, and this is the sales page of the front end sales page. Just add, go to tracking codes and just add the tracking code in here, and add the proof widget tracking code also. Okay, now save it. Now go back. I will create the promotional tools later, so I want to go back to the dashboard, funnels and products, manage product funnel, manage products, and you want to create an upsell. Click on add and upsell, downsell, create. You can choose, or let me cancel this. Let me go back. I just want to clone this product. And this is a one-time offer. Like so. And the same funnel, clone product. Here it is. Let me refresh it, or let me just edit the product. I will change the name inside. Okay, here it is. Now I want to change the name to like so. Just copy it, paste it, and also in the description. This is an upsell, and let me go to the pricing. This is a $1,297, and you want to give them also another price point, like, let me change the names in here, but you want to remove the 50% portion, because this information the buyer will see it. So yeah, so this is the 1,297. Let me show you the final breakdown, which is this one. It is $1,297. So I want to create another, or I just want to clone this, and I want to clone the commission override, like so, and I want to change it in here, like installment, and I want to remove the 50% portion in here, and I want to choose installment, and let me get the calculator real quick. So $1,297 divided by 4, which is $324. Now we want to have them we want to have them purchase it for $397, X for $1,588. So the price is $397 monthly, and 4 times. Number of installments is 4 times, and I think that is it really. So now we want to go to the gateway. I want to add my payment gateway. I only have PayPal at the moment, but if you have another payment gateway like Stripe, you can rotate between PayPal and Stripe using GrooveSell. Okay, now go to content. You want to change the sales page URL. Okay, so go and just get the sales page URL, which is this one. This is the one-time offer sales page, and the thank you page, which is this link. And the same for the installment offer. Okay, refund period is 30 days, and the support info, I want to add an email. Now go to the checkout, product image, disable the branding, commissions, customization, what's the red, large, everything large. I like large. It is easy on the eyes. So form fields, nothing to change in here. Password, ask for username and password, and go to the funnel. So after they get the upsell, okay, you want them to go straight to the thank you page, right? So this is the thank you page, by the way, and also this is the same for the installment offer. Okay, fulfillment, you want to remove this access level and add a new membership, which is go to Groove Domination and the one-time offer, add it. And for the installment, you want to give them the same. Okay, and we want to remove this front end like so. Now everything is clean. Okay, what is next? The affiliate step. Of course, you want to give them 50% commissions, and for the installment also 50% commissions, and for the first charge there is no charges, so I will leave it blank. But if you want to give them, for example, 85% commissions, and then you want to give them 85% commissions on the first month, and the other months you want to give them 50% commissions, you can do that. Just add a 1 in here, and that is it. But I will not do this. So I think I am done in here. Go to proof. I don't want any proof widget. Go to finish and grab the tracking code and go to the groovefunnels. Go to funnels, assets, and find the OTO sales page. Go to the settings, tracking code, and just paste the tracking code in here. Save it. And now let's go back to the dashboard. Product and funnels, Groove Domination, manage products, and now the one-time offer is done. Now what we need to do is create the monthly or the downsell. We want to create the downsell first. So we want to clone this. change the name to Downsell, clone, and here it is. Let me refresh it. Now click on edit product, change the name to, just change the one-time offer to Downsell. The same in here and the same for the description. This is a Downsell. Do the same, go to the pricing, change the description in here, just remove the commission type, the commission portion, which is 50% commission, and you want to give them, you want to have a one-time offer of $697, and if they choose to get it for with an installment, they will have to buy, they will have to pay, let me see, $197 per month for 4 months. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it in here. Also the description, installment 197 4 times, and I think that is it. In the price point, the gateway, I only have one payment gateway, which is PayPal. Content, this is the Downsell, so you wanna go and grab the thank you page of the Downsell, like so. I'm sorry, the sales page of the thank you, the sales page of the Downsell, okay, which is this one. And the thank you page for the Downsell. The refund period is 30 days. The support, just type his email. And the checkout, disable the branding, change the font to Montserrat, make the font large, the form fields, keep it the same. Make sure you ask for a password, like so, and then go to the funnel. So after they purchase the Downsell, they will go straight to the thank you page, like you see in here. And I think that is it, really. Go to the fulfillment, and you want to remove this membership and add the Downsell membership, which is this one. Add it. Go to the installment price point, remove the membership here, and add the Downsell course. Here it is. Now what is next? The affiliates. Of course, you wanna give them 50% commissions across the whole funnel. You already know what charges mean. What is the commission override? Let me add a new commission override. I think I need to add, I'll just remove it, and maybe I will make a separate tutorial about this later. So, proof no proof, and finish. Copy this tracking code and go to the funnel, choose the Downsell funnel and the Downsell sales page, click on it, go to the settings, tracking code, and paste the tracking code in here, save it, and now you are done with the Downsell product. Okay, click on save. I think I made a mistake, so let's go to the one-time offer. I did not save my information, but let me see. I forgot to ask for username and password for the installment option. So let me go to the funnel. Everything is good. Fulfillment. Everything is great. The affiliates. All good. I already got the tracking code. Just click on save. Exit. Now, what is next? Next thing is the monthly offer. So I want to clone the one-time offer, clone product, and this is the monthly. Like so. Clone product, here it is, edit product, and we will do the same. So let me remove the clone, add the description, the title, and so on. Go to pricing. This is a $97 per month, so select recurring, $97 per month, monthly, and that is it really. I can enable trial. I can enable the trial price is like $7, and the initial period is 7 days. Okay. Next thing is you want to go to the installment and just remove it. I want to change the name to this to monthly. Like so. What's next? Let me go to the gateway. I already have PayPal. Let me add it. Yeah, it's already added. So content, it is the same content as the one-time offer, so no need to change anything in here. So the sales page, the support is email, checkout, disable the branding, and the password is ask. I just want to ask for username and password. No bumps. The funnel, everything is good. The fulfillment, the same. Affiliates. So the initial charge, they will get 100% commissions for the trial. Okay, and the recurring, they will get 50% commissions. or let me give them 50% commissions across the whole funnel like I said. So I will just leave it at this. The proof, no proof widget. Finish. Now here is your tracking code. I will just create another page, another downsell for this. So I will just copy this page, click on save, exit. Now all your product funnel is done. Just let me go and create the sales page of the monthly version. Go to the funnels, and I want to create the funnel here real quick, the sales page real quick. So click on the plus, click on the blank template, and click on the settings. Remove the percentage in here and change the page name to OTO monthly sales, and save this information. And let me go to the settings, tracking code, add the tracking code in here and save it. And I think that is it really. Let me see it. This is the monthly. Let me have it up here like so. Click on save, and let me go back to the actual funnel in GrooveSell. So now I created the funnel that will give people 50% commission. Okay, now I want to create the product funnel that allows them to get 85% commissions. Okay, so let me go back. I want to clone this funnel if I can. Yeah, clone funnel. This is 85% commission. It is hard work, but it pays off, guys. Clone funnel. And let me go back and see. Here is the funnel, 85% commission. Manage product funnel, manage products, and you only need to change the names, the access levels, and I think the tracking codes. Alright, so let's do it. So now let's edit the front end funnel, which is this one, Groove domination funnel. Edit product, and you just want to change the commission rate like so, the internal name and the description, whoops, like that. Now go to the pricing. So we want to change the price point, groove domination, make it like that, and the internal name, make it 85. The description, just remove the price, the commission rate, and it is free, right? So let me go to the content. Okay, so now I want to change the sales page URL. So I want to go here and I just want to copy the sales page URL, which is this one, or I just want to copy it like that and paste it in GrooveSell like so. The thank you page, go back, and I think it is this one. Let me check it out on a new tab. Yeah, thank you front end like so. There is no refunds because this is free, and the email is the same. Checkout, I remove the branding, the customization, what's a rat. Okay, next is the form fields. Keep it the same. Password, ask for username and ask for password. Now go to the funnel. I think it is the same. nothing is changed except for the upsell URL, which is this one. Copy it and paste it in here. What else? The fulfillment, it is the same. Keep it as it is. The affiliates, activate it, and it is 100% commissions. This is the free version, the free course. The proof, I want to add a proof in here. So Sultan, and just signed up to Groove Domination, like so. The display, keep it the same. Now click on create, and then click on save. Now go to finish, and just copy the tracking code. Go to your funnel, go to assets, funnel, 85% funnel. Okay, go to the front end sales page, go to the settings, tracking codes, and paste the tracking code in here. Okay, and I want to grab the proof widget code, copy it and paste it in here. Now I want to save it, save also. Now go back, I click on save again and exit. Now the front end is done. So let's do the one-time offer. Click on edit product. This is an upsell, and this is an 85% commissions for the people who got the one-time offer. Okay, now go to the pricing, keep it the same. The gateway, I already added my PayPal account. Content, the sales page URL of the one-time offer is this one. Copy it and paste it in here. The thank you page is this one, like you see. Copy it and paste it in here. Alright, the refund period is 30 days. The support info, I already added my domain, my email. Checkout, you want to disable the branding. Customization is mozzarella, large. Form fields, keep it the same, and you should ask for a username and a password. Okay, now go to the funnel, and you want to go straight to the thank you page. Okay, which is already added, created automatically. Fulfillment, keep it the same. Now the most important thing, which is the affiliate step, make it 85% commissions, and for the installment is 85% commissions. And you want to go to the proof widget, nothing in here. Click on save. Let me go back if there is something not saved. Yeah, everything is saved. Click on finish. Just copy this tracking code and go to your assets, funnels, and this is the sales page of the one-time offer. Settings, tracking codes, and paste the tracking code in here. Save and save again. Now click on save again in here, exit, and let me do the rest, which is the downsell and the monthly. Now edit product, like so, and the pricing, keep it the same. The gateway, content, the sales page URL, which is this one. Let me confirm. Let me open it in a new tab. Yeah, this is the sales page of the downsell. Paste it. The thank you page, which is this one. I'll just copy it and paste it in here, like so. The refund period is 30 days, and the support email is added. So the checkout, like always, disable the branding. Customization is mozzarella. Make all the font large, like so. Form fields, password, ask for username and password. Okay, now go to the funnel. Nothing should be changed in here. Fulfillment, the same. Affiliates, make it 85%, and for the installment is 85% also. Now click on save. Now go to finish, copy the tracking code and go to the assets, funnels, and this is the Downsell sales page, and go to settings, tracking codes, and paste it in here. What else? Let me save it. Now save again and exit. Now the one-time offer monthly, now edit it, change the commission to 85 for reference purposes, like so. Pricing, I will keep it the same. Gateway content is what I should change, and let me see where is this sales page of this. Let me open this page. No. So I should have another sales page for the monthly offer. So I'll go to funnels, and here it is. Okay, I will go to publish and copy the URL. Let me test it in a new tab. It is working. Now I want to paste it in here. Thank you page will be the same thank you page as the one-time offer, which is this one. Now copy it, copy the link, go back and edit. Refund period is 30 days and the support is the same. The checkout, I want to disable the branding. The customization is Montserrat as always. I don't know what you call it. Is it Montserrat or Montserrat? Whatever it is a cool font. Okay, form fields, password, ask for username and password, and go straight to the funnel. Keep it the same. And the fulfillment, you don't wanna add anything in here unless I should change the access level. Go add new membership, group domination, access level, and choose OTO monthly. Click on add, and I want to remove the one-time offer. I guess I forgot to remove it or edit it, so yeah. Go to affiliates, 85, and also here 85%. Now click on save, go to finish, copy the tracking code and go to the groovefunnels, groovepages, and go to the monthly sales page, go to tracking codes and paste the tracking code in here. Save it. Now save. What else we can do? Click on save, exit. Now I guess I now finished creating the product funnel for the 85% commission. Right? Now I want to go back and I want to make sure that the 50% commission have no mistakes. So go to manage products. Let's check the monthly. Edit it, and I want to go to the content. Yeah, there is something wrong in here. So here is what I'm going to do. I just want to change the sales page URL, which is, let me go back, 50%, and here it is. Publish, copy to clipboard, and paste the sales page URL. Okay, thank you page, the same as the one-time offer. The refund period and the support info is the same. Affiliates, the fulfillment, yeah, also the fulfillment. Remove the fulfillment in here and add a new membership, which is the monthly membership. So group domination, access level, OTO monthly. Click on add. What else? Let me go to the affiliates tab. Yeah, it is all good. What else I forgot? Let me go to the funnels. I think everything is cool, but let me check the checkout page. Disable the branding, customization, like so, and the form fields, the password. I think everything is cool now. So click on save. Now go to finish, which is step number 11. copy the tracking code and go to the Groove Page Builder and go to Settings, Tracking Codes. I think the tracking code is already here. Let me confirm. Go to Funnels and I'll just change it for just want to confirm it. Now click on Save. So now I can say that I am finished with the product funnels. Now what I want to do is create the promotional tools. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can create it real quick. So for example, I want to add a promotion tools for the Groove domination funnel, the 50% commission, and let me look for the promo tools, which is this icon. Click on it. Now all you have to do is go to Settings and check if everything is right. Go to Info, and I think everything is cool. And I just want to change this name to Groove Domination Promo Tools, and I just want to add 50% commissions, like so, and click on Update. Then you want to go and click on Edit. So if you don't know how to write your own swipes or blog reviews and articles, I highly recommend that you check a copywriting tool called Word Hero. Let me click on it real quick. Let me log in. Here it is. You can create email swipes really quickly. Like you can, for example, I want to create an email subject line. For example, my course is all about helping people or helping you create your product or course and start selling it using only groovefunnels. Okay, the tone is, for example, serious. I want to sound serious on my emails, so write for me. And here is the subject: get started with groovefunnels, creating your products or courses. And these are some subject lines that you should check it out. And for example, I want to create an email copy, okay, an email body. So there is a framework that I recommend you to check out, which is, go to Writing Tools. Let me find it real quick. The name of it is PAS framework. Here it is. Click on it. I want to do the same description. Okay, write for me. PAS stands for problem, agitate, and solution. Okay, so the pain. You want to create a product and sell it online, but you don't know how. Agitate. You want to create a product but don't have the time or resources to do it. The solution: use groovefunnels to create your product in minutes and start selling today. Okay, so this sounds like a good email copy. So what I'm going to do, I want to copy it and go back, and I want to add a new email swipe. This is the copy, and go to Word Hero again, and I want to grab a subject line. I forgot to get it. Go to all email subject lines, write for me. Here it is. Or getting started today with groovefunnels. I want to add it in the subject, like so. And this is email number 1. Okay, let me edit the email real quick. Like, I want to remove the agitate and the pain, like you see what I'm doing here. Now I want to select all, and I want it to be large. What else? I think that's it. Maybe you want to change the font to monospace. Nope, that doesn't look cool. Maybe serif, or maybe make it sans serif. And maybe I want to have this text. I want to add an affiliate link, so click on add affiliate link and product index page, like so. And for example, I want to make it bold, so this sounds like a good email swipe, and you can carry on by creating the other email swipes. Okay, so I want to copy this and paste it in here. I think that is it for the first email swipe. Okay, next thing is I want to show you how to write a blog review. Okay, let's click on add a blog review. Go to the tool again, Word Hero, and search for blog headlines or blog topics. I wanna, for example, say groove domination. Let me go back. I wanna copy this, groove domination review, and a comma with the same text. Write for me. So here are some blog titles or blog topics. You can choose any blog topic. So for example, I want to select this topic and go back and I want to add it in here. Go to Word Hero again and you want to find blog outlines. Keep the topic the same. Write for me, and it will come up with some headlines to write about. What is groove domination, why you need groove domination, and how to get started with groove domination, and so on. Okay, so for example, I want to copy all of these text and go to the groove, paste it, and I want to grab what is groove domination. I want to copy it, or you don't want to copy it, guys. You should just say what this product is all about. Okay, and why do you need groove domination, and so on. Okay, so if you really don't know what to write, just copy this and go to another tool called blog paragraphs and just paste the outline and just add a keyword like groove domination review. Write for me. Here is a blog paragraph, but I do recommend you that you do it yourself, because groove domination is not about music, so you should do it yourself, guys. Now you have the outlines and the title. Just create your own paragraph. Okay, and here you have the ability to add an affiliate link and so on. Okay, what else? So there is another thing in the app, which is blog conclusion. So for example, I want to add this description and write for me. And in conclusion, if you are looking to create a product and sell it, Groove can be a helpful tool. It's easy to use and blah blah blah. You can use the same paragraph and you can edit it a little bit to match your own branding, but I think that is it, guys. So let me, for example, go to articles. You can do the same like I told you. Banners, thank you page ads, and log out page ads, social media, video reviews. You can outsource all of these by using a graphic design in Fiverr or Upwork. So I will not dive into all of these sections. So I just recommend you to get Word Hero. It will help you a little bit in terms of creating your own copy. So for example, I now created my copy. I want to save and exit. And you should do the same for the 85% commission. The 85% commission product funnel. Okay, there is no way you can clone this, unfortunately, but I think you've got the idea. So now we created the membership site, we created the product funnel, and we now should focus on creating the sales pages. But before we continue, we need to make the funnels live. Okay, so this is the 85% commissions funnel, click on the three dots and click on make live. Just choose the subdomain here like so, make funnel live, and now your funnel is live. I will do the same for the 50% commission product funnel. I already made it live before, and I changed it to draft to show you how to do this. So the subdomain is already set up in the 50% commissions. Okay guys, so now we want to go to groovepages and create our pages. So the concept of our sales funnel is direct response. So what is the concept of this? We don't want the visitor to scroll down and see the rest of the content. Okay, we want everything to be shown in the first section or two. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in this sales funnel. So click on manage site, get my groove style guide down below. It will help you a lot in creating your own pages, but now I will be creating my pages from scratch. Okay, I will not use the groove style guide or anything, but you can use it to fast track your results or fast track your page building thing. Okay, so we are now in the page builder. Go to assets, funnels, and now I want to build the 50% commissions product funnel. So click on the 50% commissions, the sales funnel front end, and let's begin. So now we have an empty page builder. I want to show you some examples real quick. The first example is, of course, groove.cm. There is a headline, a call to action, and a video. Okay, let me go to another website. It is called chatammo.com. This has a headline, a logo, and a call to action, then a headline, and then a call to action. Okay, so let me check another website. It is called OLSP system. Let me get my affiliate link real quick. I will show you how someone could see the front end of the sales page. So this is the affiliate link. I want to go to incognito tab, paste it. Here it is, a headline and a call to action or an opt-in form. Okay, so we are going to make this sales funnel as simple as possible. Okay, so let me close this and go to groovefunnels, and okay, now we want to go to body, and I want to change the background to I forgot something else. I want to show you how to get your colors. Like, I already created my logo, okay, but the colors are, I will get the color palette from Canva. Okay, so this is the feature image of the membership site, like you see. Let me change the background in here, like it was this background. For some reason this is not loading. Whatever, I just want to show you the color palette. Just click on the background color, and here is your color palette. Okay, just grab your logo into Canva editor and you will see the color palette in here. So that's what I'm going to use in my sales funnel. So I want to first copy this color palette, which is the pinkish, and then I want to go and change the background. Just click on the body, okay, like you see the breadcrumb, then go to background, change the background color to this hex color. This hex color we got from Canva. Okay, so click on that, save, and now it is saved like you see. Then now I want to create an empty container, so I click on the plus, I will go to empty box and an empty container. I also want to show you something cool. Okay, let me go to the document, Google Doc, Open a new doc. So here is a rule of thumb. For example, your font size, the font size of your sales page, like, let me show you a real example. Okay, let's say like this is, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, like you see, there is a headline for the PC. For example, my main font size is for example 100 pixels. Okay, then the headline font size in the PC or the bigger screens is 120%, okay, of the font size. So if my font size is 100 pixels, you will get here 120 pixels, okay. And in the iPad, the headline size must be 80% of the font size, okay. So 80% of the font size is 80 pixels. I hope you got the idea by now. And this is the headline on the phone, and the font size should be 40%, at least 40% of the font size. So this is 40 pixels. Okay, I will show you. Now I want to change the size to 120. Like you see, it is so big. Let me go back. Yeah, this is 120, and this is 100 pixels. I hope you got the idea. We will do it in the Groove Page Builder to make everything easy for you, okay? So for example, your font size, let me get another example. Let me go to the calculator. Okay, for example, our font size is 42, or let's keep it 62 pixels, okay? This is the font size on the laptop, which is 100% of the font, okay? So what is the font size on the PC? You want to divide this by 120%, which is 74. Okay, I hope you've got the idea by now. So let me get another example. So what is the font size in the iPad? Let me show you. So the font size is 62 minus 20%. Okay, I think this is wrong. So 62 minus 20%. That's not right. Let me get my calculator on my phone. It is 49.6. So it's 49.6, which is exactly approximately 50 pixels. Okay, and the same for the phone. Okay, so the 100% of the size of my headline is 62 pixels minus 40%, which is 37.2. okay, which is approximately 38 pixels. So I hope you've got the idea, and we will do it now in the page builder. So this is a container. Okay, this is a block, and this is a container, like you see. And for example, I want to have some spacing in here. So I want to have the top and bottom margin, the top and margin padding is 20 pixels. Okay, now let me go to the laptop. Make sure you toggle off the responsiveness in here, and 20 might not be good in the laptop, like you see. So 20, I'll keep it as it is. Now let's go to the iPad. So 20 minus 20% is 16. Okay, so I hope you've got the idea by now. 16, and in the iPad also 16, and in the phone is 40% of 20 pixels, which is 12 pixels. I hope you've got the idea by now. Okay, all of this is done for you when you get my Groove style guide. Okay, so let me show you how to add the padding in the right and left padding. So I want it to be 15. and in the laptop keep it the same. In the iPad is 12 pixels, okay, and also in the vertical iPad is 12 pixels, and in the phone it is, I think, 10 pixels, but let me check. Yeah, 10 pixels, approximately 10 pixels. So here it is. Now we are done with the spacing and we made it responsive in all the devices. Okay, so now let's go for the container. We want the container to be the same as the block, so we want this to be 20%, and let me go to the iPad and make it 16, like so. And in the phone is, I think it was 12. Okay, now for the right and left padding, let's make it 15, which is the same as the block, so it is 15. Alright, then in the laptop keep it the same, and in the iPad I think it was 12, and in the vertical iPad also 12. Oh, I forgot to toggle off the responsiveness. Okay, let's do it again. Let me go to the horizontal iPad and make it 12, and the vertical iPad 12, and in the phone it is 10. Alright guys, so now we are done with the spacing and the padding, and we made it responsive in all the devices. So now I want to change the background of the container. So go to, just click on the block, or I'm sorry, click on the container, or go just click on the container and go to background, and I want to change it to white. Okay, I want to scroll down until you see the borders, and I want the border size to be 8 pixels, and I want it to be dotted. The color, let me go to Canva and let me grab this color. Okay, get the hex color from here, copy it and paste it in the hex section, save it, and then I want to choose a border radius of 25, or make it 15. Yeah, 15 is much better, but let me see how responsive is the border in all the devices. In my opinion, the iPad looks too big, so I want to make the border to be 6 pixels, and in the vertical is 6 pixels also. I think I did something wrong, so let me toggle on the responsiveness again and make it 8. And now let's go to the iPad and make this 6 pixels, like so, and also here 6 pixels. And in the phone, let's make it, like you see, I am following the rule that I have showed you, so it is 5 pixels approximately. Yeah, now it looks good. Now we want to have a headline. Okay, so go to all elements. Now drag and drop the H1 heading. This is the H1. Now I want to show you the word hero, how to get a good looking sales page headline. So search for sales, and here is the sales page headline. Click on it, and then let's add the product name and the description of the product. So my product is groove domination, and a comma with learn how to create a product and sell it using groovefunnels. Okay, and the tone, I want to make it serious because I'm serious in this. Let's write, let the AI write for me. So the headline is create and sell your product with groovefunnels. The subheading is learn how to create a product and sell it using groovefunnels with this powerful tool. Okay, let's have this headline. Go in here in the document, remove all of this, make this 18. Let me paste it. This is the headline. So create and sell your products with groovefunnels. So I want to say learn how, or discover how. So, and the funnels, the subheading, learn how to create a product and sell it using groovefunnels with this powerful step-by-step video, with this easy step-by-step video training. You can easily create and sell your products online. So I want to remove this. So here is a good headline. Let me see another headline. For example, let's see, are you ready to take your business to the next level? With Groove Domination, you will learn how to create a product and sell it using groovefunnels. This course is packed with actionable tips and strategies that will help you get the most out of the groovefunnels account. So I think this is a good headline also. Let me have it here. I want to get, are you ready to take your business to the next level? This is a question. I want to make this a headline, so I want to copy it. I want to go to ConvertCase, a website called convertcase.com or .net, paste the text, and I want to make this uppercase, like so. Copy it, go to groovefunnels and paste it in here, like so. And now let's play with the font and the sizing. So for example, I want to make this center. I want the font size to be 62, okay, and the font weight is black. The font, I want this to be moderate, so let's find it. Here it is. Okay, it looks good in my opinion. Now let's go and check the rest of the pages. Let's make this 72. Yeah, 72 is good, or just keep it 62. Then you want to go to the laptop size and toggle off the responsiveness in here and make the font 50 pixels. And in the iPad is 40 pixels, and also in the vertical iPad, okay. And in the phone I want it to be 30 pixels, like so. Toggle on the responsiveness and let's play with this a little bit. So I want the color of this to be, let me go to Canva. I want this color, I like it, so I want to copy the hex color and go back to groovefunnels, scroll down till you see the hex and save it. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to make this I want to make the next level underlined, and the color I want it to be, let me see the Canva again, this color. Copy it, paste it in the hex color section, save, and save again. Make sure you click on the check button, and now it's cool. It looks really good. So now we are done with the headline. Now I want to grab a paragraph, so I will drag and drop a paragraph in here, and let me go to the document and with Groove Domination, blah 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 blah. So I will copy this, go to ConvertCase, paste it, make it capitalized, like so. Now copy it again and paste it in here, okay. Next thing, I wanna increase the size to 24. Wanna make it center. I wanna change the font to Poppins, okay, and I think it looks good already. What else? Maybe I want to add, let me see, yeah, I want to change the sizes in the other devices. So here I want it to be 20 pixels, and in the iPad 16 pixels, also in the vertical iPad 16 pixels, and in the phone you want it to be 14. Yeah, 14 is much better in my opinion. So toggle on the responsiveness, and now your subheading, or what you call it, yeah, it is like a subheading. So it is done. So now what I want to have is a call to action. Okay, but before we go through the call to action, make sure you are on the container. Click on the container in the breadcrumbs, and again go to the size, and I want the size of this to be 960 pixels. Okay, let's see how it looks in all devices. Yeah, it looks really good in my opinion. So what's next? Let me add the call to action, but let me save the info like so. Now I want to go to all elements again and grab a button like so. Like you see, the button is in the left. You want to make it center, so click on the button, check the breadcrumb, go to the container. Okay, click on it, then click on the layout, make it vertical, and make sure the secondary is at the center like so. Click on the center, and now it looks good in my opinion. So now I want to change the background settings, so go to config, and the call to action will be yes, I want instant free access. Update and close. And now let me change the text size to 38. Okay, and I want to change the font to, if I can find it, Poppins, and the white is black. Okay, so now it looks good. What else I can do? So now I want to change the text size in the other devices. So this in the laptop it will be 30 pixels, so I will toggle off the responsiveness and I will put 30 pixels, and in the iPad is 24 pixels like so. In the vertical iPad also 24 pixels, and in the phone you want it to be 18 pixels. Okay, toggle on the responsiveness, and now let's see the spacing. So go to spacing. Like you see, the spacing in the right and left is too big. If I go to the phone, for example, it is 72, so I don't like it. I want to make this 25. Okay, like so, and when you go to the phone, it will be, the whole text will be in one line like you see. Okay, so what to do next? Now we added a headline, a subheadline, a call to action, and now I want to add a 2 column. Let me save this first. It is saved now. Click on all elements, and you want to drag and drop the 2 columns element. So drag it and drop it down below. Click on the button and make the spacing, the top and the top and bottom spacing is, make it 10 pixels or not, 20 pixels. Okay, and then here I want to add an image. In the left column I want to go to media, image, drag it and drop it, or let me add a video. So this is the video that will explain everything inside the product, and here I want to add a list. Okay, I will go to all elements, list, and I want to drag and drop the list container like so. Then I want to drag and drop the list, the icon list item like so. And now let's play with it a little bit. So let me go to the document of the final breakdown, and I want to copy and paste these bullet points. Okay, so the first bullet point is this one. I want to go back and paste it in here like so, and now let's play with it. So click on the text, make sure you are on body, block, container, layout 2-2, container, list icon, and text. Okay, so let me play with the text a little bit. So I want it to be 20 pixels. 20 pixels looks really good, and I want to change the font to Poppins. Okay, now let's see the other devices. It looks good here. and in the iPad I want to make it 16 pixels. Also in the vertical iPad 16 pixels, and in the phone you want it to be, for example, 14 pixels. Yeah, 14 pixels is a good number. Toggle on the responsiveness, and now let me play with the icon. Like you see, it is very small. Click on it, go to the config, and you want to change the icon to check. Here it is. Click on it, update and close, and I think it looks good already. Let me see. No. Let me play with the icon color first. So change the icon color, click on the text color, which is this icon, and change it to this color. Yeah, it looks good. And then you want to do, what you want to do is change the size. So the size of this is 20 pixels. If I can, yeah, 20 pixels, or make it a little bit bigger. So 35, it looks good. Let me go to the other devices. Yeah, it looks responsive in the laptop, but in the iPad it looks big. So what I'm going to do is I want to change this size from 35 to 28, like so. Also in the vertical iPad it looks good. Now in the phone I want to change this to 21 or 22. Yeah, 22 looks good. Okay, what's next? Toggle on the responsiveness and click on the text again. Make sure you click on the move up icon, and now go to spacing. Change the bottom and top padding to 10 pixels. Okay, now all you gotta do is just clone this element and add the rest of the bullet points. So I will add it and then we'll get back to you guys. So like you see, I have added the bullet points, and now I want to click on save, and I want to scroll down and I want to add my checkout form. So I want to go to all elements, and I think it is in Groove Apps, the Groovesell checkout form. Drag it and drop it down below. Okay, here is the checkout form. So maybe I want to add another 2-column layout because I want to explain my bonuses. Okay, so go to all elements, and I want to choose, for example, or keep it as it is, or let me get a 2-column layout, another one, and here I want to add the list icon, which is this one. Copy it, make sure you go to the list container, just clone it and drag it and drop it in here. Okay, so what I'm going to add here is the bonuses. So I want to remove these elements, these bullet points. Or guys, let me keep it as simple as possible. So I want to remove this layout, this 2-column layout, just remove it, and I want to add an H2. So, and I want to type here fast action bonuses. Okay, now I want to click on the text. I want to make it a little bit bigger. So for example, let's make it 48. Yeah, 48, and the font is Mozzarella, and the font weight is extra bold or black. Okay, now I want to change the text in all the devices, so I want to toggle off the responsiveness, and here it looks good, nothing to change in here. In the iPad, on the other hand, so it is, let me see the text, it is 48, so in the iPad it is 38, like so. Scroll down. Okay, now in the phone, like you see, it is very big, so what I'm going to do, I want to decrease it to 28. Okay, toggle on the responsiveness, and I want to grab a 2-column layout now because I only want to give them 2 bonuses. which is access to the Facebook group and the Groove style guide. Yeah, which is now in here. I want to add, let me see if I can drag it. It is an H3, so bonus number 1, and this bonus is about the Groove style guide. Okay, or if you don't want to create it from scratch, I will just grab a done for you template from the designer, go to direct response and the bonus boxes. So I want to grab, for example, this bonus template, or this one looks much cleaner. So I want to click on any element. I want to go to the layout 2-2 and just drag it and drop it above like so. Okay, I want to remove this block because I don't need it anymore. So now let me add my content in here and I will get back to you guys. So now I want to change the text font to Montserrat, or make it Poppins like so. Change the color to pink and the font weight is black, or make it semi-bold. Yeah, semi-bold looks good. Now let's see how responsive this is. It is 25 in the laptop and the PC. Now in here I want to change the font to 20 pixels. So I want to toggle off the responsiveness and I want to go here, get 20 pixels, and also in the vertical iPad 20 pixels. Yeah, and here in the phone you want it to be 15 pixels, or make it a little bit, make it 20 pixels. Yeah, 20 pixels looks pretty much clearer in my opinion. So toggle on the responsiveness and let's see the other content. So for example, the headline here, the size looks good in here, but I want to change the font to Montserrat and the font weight is bold, or make it black or extra bold. Okay, keep the color to be like this color so it matches the borders. And let's see the text size. So here it is 35. Everything is cool in the laptop, and in the iPad it looks messy, so I will decrease the size to 28, and also in the vertical iPad make it 20. Sorry, I didn't toggle on the responsiveness, unfortunately. I will toggle it off now. Change the font size to 28, and in the iPad it is 28 also. In the phone you want it to be 22. Now it looks really good in my opinion. It looks much cleaner. I mean, yeah, it looks much cleaner in my opinion. So what else? Let me see the description. So here it is 18. So 18 will match all the devices, so I don't need to change it. Now it looks good. I want to toggle on the responsiveness and I want to just clone this layout. So now we are on the container. Go to the layout 2-2, click on it and just clone it. Now this layout have no spacing, so click on, make sure you are on layout 2-2 and go to spacing. Make sure the padding, the top and the bottom padding is 10 pixels, or make it 15. Nope, yeah, 20 is much better. Now I want to change the content and I will get back to you guys. So now I added the text. Now we are done. All you need to do is just change the graphics in here, which I will be doing it later, but I think the spacing here, it looks like there is no spacing in the first layout. So I will go to layout 2-2, go to spacing, and the bottom and top padding is also 20 pixels like so. Now everything looks clean in my opinion. Let me see here. Let me see how it looks on the phone. Yeah, I really like it. I really like it. So now I will just add the checkout form. So I will also go to the templates, click on the plus, and look for the direct response. And if there is an order form block, yeah, nothing matches my needs in here. Maybe here in the wireframe. Let me see the designer checkout form. Or you know what? Let me just create it myself. So go to all elements and go to Groove Apps, Groove Cell button. Or I'm sorry, Groove Cell checkout form. Drag it and drop it down below, like see. And now you click on the Groove checkout form. Click on the config and choose Groove Cell checkout. I will select the funnel, which is the 50% product funnel, and the product is the front end. Okay, and the link, I don't know what they mean by the link, unfortunately, but let me save this. I think I did not create the checkout form, so I will go to Groove Cell and go to funnels and products, and in the 50% commissions, let me search for checkout links. Now what you want to do is click on create. Let me have a name. This is the front end checkout form. You can have it for a specific affiliate, but no, this is a free signups. And let me go to the save and next. The order form, it is just one step. Save and next. I will enable all the price points because there is only one price point. And save and next. And here I want to change the product image. I want to remove it. Okay, and the customization, I want this to be Montserrat. And the heading and the text is all large, like you see. Then you want to go to form fields. Go to button text. I think it is already here. So he will get a free. The placeholder here says get free access, so I will just skip it. Go to form fields, save and next. Everything looks good. Save and next. Collect username and password, and ask for username and password, which is the most important thing. Save and next. I will skip this. Now save and next. You can add the tracking code. Save and next also. And here is your checkout link. Okay, maybe you want to add an embedded form, so I want to copy this and I want to go to the Groove checkout. The Groove page builder. I want to remove this. Let me save the changes, and let me go to Groove, to all elements and Groove apps, and drag and drop the Groove Cell checkout form again, and let me see if it is added. Go to config. I'll choose the product. So use Groove Cell checkout. Choose my funnel. Choose the product and the link. Yeah, here it is. So FE checkout form, update and close, and now it looks nasty. So I will click on it again, and let me see the sizing. Maybe I can change something in here. So I want to change the width of this to 100%, like so, and I think that is it really. Yeah, it looks good in my opinion. Yeah, it looks good in my opinion. Now we are done with the front end sales page. Okay, now click on save. Now publish. We want to publish it and see how it looks. I might change the background color of the button, but we will see. Now the website is published. Let me view the current page. Yeah, it looks good. Everything is nice. Maybe I want to add a countdown timer, so I want to go back and let me first check the button. So click on the button and config link to. I think I need to have the checkout form in a new block. So what I'm going to do is I want to have this checkout form in a pop-up. So I want to remove this, okay, and then I want to click on save. Now I want to go to assets, pop-ups, and let me remove these pop-ups. Click on the plus and let's search for a checkout template if there is any. So let me scroll. I guess there is no checkout template, so I will cancel this. Let me add a blank pop-up and let me go click on the three dots, go to edit settings, and you want this to be 900, make it 550 pixels, and this pop-up name is checkout FE and 50%, like so. The type, make it standard. Show on selected page, I will show it on, go to funnels, groove domination, and this page, okay. Then the animation, you want this to be, for example, flash, and the leaving, you want this to be rollout. Save. Now let's edit this. So click on the plus, go to pop-ups if there is. No, there is not. So I will go to designer and empty block, like so. Then here I want to add the checkout, the GrooveSell checkout, so I will drag it and drop it in here, like so. Now click on it, go to config, I will choose my Groove product funnel, which is the 50% commissions, and I want to select the product, which is this one, the link, and update and close. Okay, now it looks good. Click on save and exit. I want to go to the assets and funnels and my funnel and the sales page front end, the front end sales page, which is this one. I want to go to config, link to a pop-up. I will select the pop-up, which is, click on quick. Let me see what is the quick pop-up. With the pop-up, with the quick pop, you can display the GrooveSell checkout. So the content is GrooveSell checkout, and I want to select the funnel, product funnel, which is 50%, and I want to select the widget or the link. Click on it, and now the pop-up width should be 550 pixels. Let me drag this to 550 pixels. I guess you don't need to create a pop-up, it has already been added like you see in here. So next, I think there is nothing else. So the close button is small. I wish I can hide it, but none. So the pop-up appearing, make it flash. The leaving, bounce out. Now update and close. Now what I want to do is change the background in here to, for example, this background. Yes, this looks good. Okay, go to hover, change the color here to this color, like so. Now what we need to do next is just clone this button. Click on the button, I can. Now clone it and drag it down below, like so. And now your first sales page is done and ready. Let me publish it. Oops, I don't know what I have done, but let me publish it. Alright, I don't know what that is. Let me click on no thanks, publish. I think there is a problem with Groove, so let me save. I think this page will not be saved, so let me refresh it, reload. Yep, I logged out for some reason, so let me log in and get back to you. Let me add the Groovesell checkout form in the pop-up, and I will get back to you guys. I'm sorry, there is something wrong with Groove. So now let me publish it again and see how it works. Yeah, it is publishing. Now the page is published. I'm sorry, the website. Let me refresh the site. Refresh. Here it is. Now I want to click on the call to action. Yep, it is loading. Just add the name and the username, the password, and the address, and I think that is it. Okay, now the first sales page is done and ready. Now we are going to create the OTO. Okay, so go to assets and funnels, sales OTO, or the one-time offer. But before that, let me go to the sales, the front-end sales page. I want to clone this block. So you are now on body and block. Just click on add to clipboard, let it do its thing. So now let me go to the sales, the OTO sales page, so which is this one. Click on the plus, clipboard, and here it is. Now what you want to do is just change the content in here, and that is it. So follow up with me again. And now I think I need to have a headline for the OTO. I will do it and I will get back to you guys. Let me remove all the elements in here, and let me get started from scratch. So I will delete the headline, the sub headline. I will remove all the elements and I will get back to you. I only want to keep the container. Okay, so follow up with me. So now we have an empty container like you see. So let me grab an H1 heading. First I want to add a new block. Okay, so click on the plus. I want to go to direct response and headlines. I want to get, for example, this headline or this one. So I want this headline because this is an OTO sales page. So click on any element or any text, then move up. Click on the move up icon until you reach the whole element, which is like you see. Okay, drag it and drop it in the container like so. And now I want to remove it. I want to remove the empty block. So now what we need to do next, I want to grab an H1 heading, drag it and drop it right here. And now let me go and create a headline. So I will go to Word Hero again, log in, and I want to look for sales page or sales, and here it is, sales page headline. And this is a one-time offer, which is learn everything you need to know about Groove. Here it is, and the tone is serious. I'm serious in this. So let's see. Here is a headline which says learn everything you need to know about groovefunnels. Don't miss your chance to get lifetime. No, that's not what I'm going to have. So I will get learn every aspect of groovefunnels, or learn how to use groovefunnels, like a pro. Write for me. Let me go to the bullet points. Yeah, it says here I will cover every Groove app in a detailed step by step. So let me see the headline here. Learn how to use groovefunnels like a pro, and learn how to use groovefunnels like a pro. It is the same. So let me grab another description. So learn how to use all 12 apps inside, or master. Let me master the 12 apps inside groovefunnels plus the feature apps. now right for me. So let me see, master the 12, no. So let me grab a headline by myself. So I will say learn how to use, or learn everything you need to know about groovefunnels. And this is a good headline. So let me copy the headline and go to convertcase.net, paste my headline, and I want it uppercase like so. Copy it and paste it in here. Now what we are going to do is, first I want to have some spacing. So I want the bottom and top padding 10 pixels. Let me go to the text, and I want the text to be, let me see, I think 50 or 52. Okay, and the font style is Montserrat. I want it to be center, and the font weight is black. Let me decrease the font, so let me put it at 48. Okay, now let's toggle off the responsiveness and check how the font look like in all the devices. So in desktop or in the laptop it looks good, and in the horizontal tablet it doesn't look good. So what I'm going to do, the rule of thumb, it is 80% of the font size. So my font size is 48 and 80% of it is 38 or 39. Let me add 39. Okay, 38. Let me make it, for example, 37. Yeah, 37. And in the vertical iPad, let's make it 37, like so. And in the phone, I want it to be 40% of the, 60% of the font size, so it is 28. So I want to put here 28. Oh, let's make it, for example, yeah, 26. No, 26 is very small, so let's make it 28. So now the font looks good, it looks responsive, but what I don't like is the font size of the headline, which is way before you go. So let me see, this is 52. So let me decrease the size in the laptop because I think it is a little bit big. So let me see, it is 52. So here I want it to be 41 pixels or 42 pixels, like that. And in the iPad you want it to be 32 pixels or 34. Yeah, 34 is good. Here the same, it is 34. And in the phone you want it to be 25, like that. So now it looks better. Now let's see the other text, which is this one. Go to text and it is 32, and in the laptop it looks good, 28. So let me see, let's make it 25. And in the iPad you want it to be 20 pixels. Also in the vertical iPad, 20 pixels. And in the phone you want it to be also 20 pixels, or make it 16. Yeah, 16 looks good. So what else we can do? Let me toggle on the responsiveness, and I want to change the color of the text. So click on the text, go to colors. I forgot to go to Canva, and I want to check my color palette. So I want this color, which is the purple-ish. I don't know what to call it, but is it Tiffany? So I want to copy the hex color, and I want to go back and paste the hex color in here, like so. Click on save. And now, for example, you want to make this text black, the text of groovefunnels, make it black, like so, and click on save. Then what you want to do is make it underline, for example, like so. What else I can do? So now I am finished with the headline. It looks good in all the devices like you see. Now what I need to have is a video. So I want to go to all elements, media, and video player. Here it is. Click on the video. Just you want to have a padding, a top and bottom padding of 10 pixels, and I think that is it really. So then I want to add a call to action button. So go to all elements and search for button. Let me search for a good button here. For example, let me have this button. Just drag it to be down below like you see. Click on the button. Now click on config, and I wanna have in the label get instant access. I think, yeah, like so. You wanna link it to a pop-up, and you wanna select a quick pop-up or quick pops, and the quick pop content is Groovesell checkout. Select the funnel. It is 50% product funnel, and the product is the one-time offer. And you want to select the checkout widget. I think I need to create the checkout page, so I will do it later. So I will just link it to none at the moment and click on update and close. So here is our button. You want to style it a little bit, so you want to make the size of the font 38, and the font style is Montserrat, and you want to make the weight black. Okay, let me add a little bit of text in here. So I want to say click here to get instant access, like so. So this text is 38. Now let's see it on the laptop. It looks a little bit bigger, so I want to make it 30 pixels. I want to toggle off the responsiveness, and you want to make this 30 pixels. In the iPad, you want to make it 25, and in the vertical iPad also you want to make it 25, and in the phone you want to have it to 18 pixels or 19 pixels. Let's make it 18. So now it looks good. What I want to do next is I want to go to spacing, and I want to change the right and left spacing to 25. Okay, now I want to see how it looks in the phone and in the iPad. So I want to see the responsiveness. It looks good already. So let me save this. I want to go to Groovesell, so I want to open it in another tab. Go to funnels and products, the 50% commission product funnel, and search for checkout links. You want to create a product funnel. I'm sorry, a checkout. But let me select the offer, which is the one-time offer. Create, and this is the one-time offer, 50%. And you can select you can make it for a specific affiliate, but I will not do that. So save it next. One-step checkout, the price. Now let's see the price. There is only one price, so I will enable all the price points. Save and next. Look and feel. I want to remove the branding and the customization, Montserrat, and the text is large like so. And I think that is it really. Save and next. Save and next. Collect username and password, and select the username and password like you see. Ask for username and ask for password. Save and next. Leave this tracking code. Now here is the links. So you want to close this. Okay, you want to refresh the Groove page builder, and now you want to go to assets, funnels, and the 50% product funnel, and the sales page of the OTO, which is this one. Now I want to click on the button, config, link to, pop up, a quick pop, and I will select the groove widget, which is this one, and I will leave the rest the same. So the appearing flash and the bounce out down like so, update and close, and now the button is looking good. Okay, what else? You want to add a no thanks button. Okay, so go to all elements, buttons, standard, and text link. Drag it and drop it below the button like so. But first I want to have, click on the button, and I want to go to spacing, and I want to have a top margin of 10 pixels. Okay, now I will click on the text link, go to config, I will say here no thanks. I want to link it to a page, linked page, and I want to find the downsell of the yes, I want to find the downsell. So let me find it real quick. Like you see, there is a lot of pages. I think this is the right one, so I will select it and update and close. Okay, I want to make the link 24 pixels and want to make the font to Poppins and underlined like so, and the font weight is semi-bold. Okay, then you want to go to the spacing, and you want to have a little bit of spacing, so the top padding is 5 pixels. Okay, and the bottom padding is 10 pixels. Okay, like so. Now let's see how it looks in the iPad. It looks good. In the phone, I'm sorry, in the iPad, let me decrease it to 19 pixels, toggle off the responsiveness, and make this 19 pixels. I hope you are good at math, because you will need it. So 19 pixels here, and here you want to make it 14 pixels, or make it 16. So now it looks good. Toggle on the responsiveness, and let me publish the page and see if the no thanks button will redirect me to the downsell sales page. So let me see. Now the site is published. Let me view the page in a new tab. Now let's test the button first. Click on the button, and here is the checkout form. Okay, next you want to see is you want to test the no thanks button. Click on it, and yeah, like you see the link, it is the 50% downsell sales page. I hope you are not you didn't lose your focus. So here it is. So now everything looks good. Then maybe I want to add an image. Okay, go to all elements, media, and an image. Just drag it and drop it below like so. Click on it, click on config, choose an image. I will show you how I created this image, but let me select it, update and close, and here it is. I created a simple graphic which will say learn everything you need to know about groovefunnels, and I listed all the groovefunnels applications like so. Okay, I did that using Groove Designer Pro, and yeah guys, let me click on the image and let me have a spacing 10 pixels in the top and the bottom like so. Then I just want to clone this button and drag it below the image like that, and I want to clone the no thanks button and drag it below the next button like so, And for example, you want to add a countdown timer. Okay, let me go to all elements again and go to countdown timers, or go to all elements, scroll down till you see countdown. Let me find it real quick. Here it is. Drag it and drop it under the video. If I can, just go to countdown in the breadcrumb and just drag it above the button like you see. Now what you need to do next is I want to make this bold like so, and the size you want to have it at 20 or 30 pixels. Okay, and I think that is it really. I want to make it as simple as it is. So now you are in the countdown and click on config. You want to have it at daily. I will choose a static time and I will choose, for example, 11:59 p.m. like so. Click on OK, and after the countdown timer, I will just, if there is an option to restart the countdown timer, but there is none, so update and close. And now the countdown timer looks good in my opinion. It looks simple. So now we are done with the OTO, but the most important thing you should focus on is the video. Okay, you need to make a webinar style like video. Okay, like 1 hour or 30 minutes minimum. Okay, so now we are done with the OTO sales page. Click on save. Now the downsell is the most simple page that you will create, because it is just a text and 2 buttons, and a call to action button and a no thanks button. Okay, so let me show you. Go to assets, funnels, and the downsell sales page, and let me click on the plus. I think I need to clone the container, which is this container. I want to add it to clipboard. Now I think it is added, so I want to go to funnels and assets, and I want to go to the downsell sales page and click on the plus. It is not saved, so let me save it again. Go to funnels, OTO, add to clipboard. Now it is being copied. Go to assets again, funnels, and go to downsell sales page, which is this one. Click on the plus, clipboard blocks, and I think I copied it 3 times, so I will just have it in here. And now let me edit it. What we can do is you want to go to body and background, change the color to this color, just copy the hex color and go to groovefunnels and paste it in here. Click on save. Now it looks good. Now what we need to do is remove all the elements, like you see what I'm doing here. I will also remove the headline. Let me remove all the elements and then we'll get back to you guys. Like you see, now the container is empty. What I want to add first, so I want to go to the block and click on the plus. I want to go to direct response and go to the headline. Okay, what should I add? Maybe this headline. So I think this headline looks good. So what I want to do is I will just drag and drop the elements, like you see what I'm doing here, like so. Let me have this up top, and now let me remove the block, this empty block. Now let me see how responsive this is first. And now what I want to add is a headline. So go to H1 heading, and let me see if Word Hero can help me in this. Okay, yeah. Let me go to Word Hero and let me say downsell, learn or cover, or let me say learn, or let me say master only 6 the 6 essential apps and without the featured updates or apps. So let me see what it can do. So I want to copy this, and I will go to the convert case and paste it. And you want to make it uppercase. I will just copy this headline: master only the 6 essential apps without the featured updates or apps. So I will copy this and paste it in here. Paste. Click on the text again, and you want to change the text size to 32 or 35. Make it 38. Okay, you want to make it center. You want to change the font to Montserrat, and the font weight is black. Make it a little bit smaller, like so. And I wanna make the color of the text to be this color. Okay. What then I wanna do is I will say master only the 6 essential apps. I wanna make this underlined and change the color to red. Click on save, like so. I think that is it. Really, that is it. Then I want to grab a 2-column layout. Drag it down below the headline. Click on the container and make sure you are on layout 2-2. Go to spacing. Make the spacing, the top and bottom spacing, 20 pixels. Okay. Now I want to grab a button. Oh, let me get the green button. Let me remove this button. Let me get the green button real quick. Okay. Click on the button, and you want to make the size of the button to 100%. And then you want to go, for example, to the container and make the layout vertical, or vertical. Make it center. Make it center, or go to horizontal. And let me have this option like so, and then it looks good in my opinion. And go to config. I will say yes, I want instant access. I want to link it. I still didn't create the checkout link, so I will update and close. And let me configure it again, and I want to add a subheading, and I want to add the price. So the price is $697 or $197 for 4 months. So update and close again. And now let's edit it a little bit. So the text here, you want to make it, let me see, 32. And the font is Poppins, like so. And the font weight is bold. Okay, and I think that is it. Let me click on the button again and see how responsive it is in all the devices. In the iPad it doesn't look good, so let me see. We want to make the text size here 25. Also in the vertical iPad, make it 25, or make it a little bit bigger, 34, or make it 25. And in the phone, 20 pixels, like so. Toggle on the responsiveness, and let me see how it looks. It looks good in my opinion. So let me clone this button, and I want to drag and drop it in the other column, like so. Click on the button if I can. Change the text label to no things, and I want to remove the subheading. Update and close. Then you want to click on the container, click on layout, make it horizontal. It looks good in my opinion. And you want to make this like so. Now I want to go to background. I want to change the background to red. It doesn't change. Go to background, change it to red. Not that red, maybe this red. Okay. And in the hover, change it to this. Okay, now it looks good. Now let me save this and let's see how responsive it is in all the devices real quick. So like you see, does it look good in the iPad, in the vertical? So click on the button, go to container and toggle off the responsiveness, go to spacing, and you want to have the top margin of 20 pixels, like so. Let me check it in the phone, make it 20 pixels also, and I think that is it really. Toggle on the responsiveness, click on save. Now let me go to Groovesell and I want to create the Downsell checkout link. Okay, create. So this is the Downsell 50%, and save and next. One step checkout, save and next. The price point, keep it the same, save and next. And I want to remove the branding and the customization. You want to make it large, like so. Save and next. Keep it the same, save and next. Ask for username and password, like so. Save and next, save and next. And now your link is created. Click on close and go back to your Groove page builder and click on refresh. Now you want to go to assets, funnels, the 50% commissions, product funnel, and you want to choose the Downsell. Yeah, it looks good. Now what I want to do is click on the green button, click on config. I want to link it to a pop-up and a pop link, quick pops, and select Groovesell checkout. I want to select the funnel, select the product, which is the Downsell, and I want to select the link, which is here. Now the animation, flash, the leaving animation is bounce out, update and close. Now the no thanks button. The no thanks button, let me see the link. So let me click on save and go to assets and funnels again, and you want to choose the monthly sales page. Click on publish, view the current page, and you want to copy the link, like so. Go back to the sales page of the Downsell and go to no thanks, config, link it to, I think I can link it here to a page. Select the page, which is the monthly, if I can find it. Sorry guys, here it is. Date and close. Now let's publish the site and see how it looks. Now the site is published. Let me see it in a new tab. Here it is. For example, I want to click on yes, I want instant access, and here is the checkout form. And if I click at the no thanks button, it will lead me to the monthly sales page. So let's create the monthly sales page real quick. So go to assets, or first let me clone this or add it to a clipboard, like so. Go to assets and funnels and select the monthly. Okay, click on the plus, clipboard blocks, and I want to select my block, which is this one. Now go to body, change the background to this color, and let me change the headline here. So let me add another headline. So for example, I want to have this: what if you can pay? I'm not good at headlines, so sorry for that. Monthly, and access to the whole course, for example, and get to master all the 12 apps plus featured apps, like so. Now I wanna copy it and I wanna go to the convert case again, and I wanna make it uppercase. Copy it, and paste it in here. Now all I want to do is just change the links. Okay, so I want to click on save and go to the Groovesell, and you want to create a checkout link for the monthly offer, and click on create, and here you want to have, for example, monthly OTO 50%. Save and next. One step checkout. Save and next. The price point, keep it the same. Save and next. Look and feel, you want to disable the branding, and the customization, what's that, and you want to make it large. Okay, save and next. Keep the form fields, save and next. Password, which is the most important thing, you want to ask for a username and a password. Save and next. You can add a custom tracking link, or custom CSS code or tracking code. Save and next. And here is your link. Click on close, go to Groove Page Builder and click on refresh. So now I want to go to assets, funnels, and the 50% and the monthly sales page. Here it is. Now click on the first button, which click on config, and you want to choose your product. Okay, so this is the product funnel, and the monthly, where is the monthly? Here it is. Click on it. Here is the checkout link that we created it. Now we want to change the price in here, so $97 per month, like so. Now update and close, and yeah, I think here it is done. Now click on the nothings, config. You want to select a page, you want to link it to the thank you page. So where is the thank you page? Here it is, the front end thank you page. Update and close, and now you are all set. Click on publish. The site is published. Now let me view this page in a new tab. Here it is. Click on the purchase. Here it is $7. It should be $97, but let me edit it real quick. Let me go to the Groovesell and go to the dashboard, products and funnels, and the 50% commissioned product funnel, manage products, and here is the monthly, edit product, go to pricing. It is $97. Oh, it is the trial is $7 and then $97. So let me disable the trial, so it should be $97 per month. So click on save, and let me see the checkout. Yeah, everything looks good. The fulfillment looks good. Now click on exit. Now let me refresh the sales page. Click on the yes, I want instant access. Yeah, now I am relieved. Okay, it's $97 per month. So what is next? Now we created the Downsell sales page. The monthly sales page. It is a mini sales page, or what you call it. So go to assets, funnels, and now the sales pages have been created. Now what you want to do is create the thank you pages, and yeah guys, so let's start with the thank you page of the front end. So let me grab this, let me add this to a clipboard again. Go to assets, funnels, go to the thank you front end page, click on the plus, clipboard, and I want to add this here. Go to body, change the background to this color, and I want to remove all the elements, and I want to start from scratch. Okay, so now I want to add a headline saying thank you for your purchase, like so. This is the heading. Now what I will say, thank you for your purchase, or thank you for signing up because it is free. So now I want to click on the text again, like so, and I want to increase the text size to 40 pixels, and the font is, let's make it Poppins here, and the font weight is bold, like so. Let me add a paragraph saying that you will receive your login information in the email. So I will say check your email. So now I want to increase the text size to, for example, 24. Let's make it 20, and then let me see how responsive this is in all devices real quick. In the iPad it looks good, and in the phone it doesn't look good, unfortunately. So I will toggle off the responsiveness and change the text, make it center, and this text size is 25. Okay, and the paragraph, I want to change the text size to, for example, 15, and I want to make it center, like so. Now I want to toggle on the responsiveness, and let's see what I can do next. Yeah, I want to make this center in all devices, like so. Then what I want to do next is I want to have a video. Go to media, video player, and I want to have it in here. And in the video I want to explain, I want to tell them thank you for signing up, and that they will receive their login information in the email, and I want to encourage them to sign up as an affiliate and promote this product. Okay, so I want to have a spacing in here at 10 pixels, and now let me have a button saying, or let me save this. Let me go to Groovesell, refresh the Groovesell dashboard, and then I want to go for this groove domination. Sorry, go back, and I want to find the promo tools. Let me find it real quick. Here it is, affiliate sign up and promo tools. So what I want to do is I want to copy the embed code, and I want to go to groovefunnels, and I want to say, I want to say in the video, like, you are now an affiliate to, and you have the permission to promote my offer, and also if you want more commissions, upgrade to the one-time offer and receive 85% commissions, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I want to add a call to action. Go to buttons, and a call to action down below the video, telling them to upgrade to the one-time offer. So I want to link it to a page. Select a page which is the upsell page, if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. I want to open it in a new tab, and I will say in the label the following. Click here to get groove domination, or click here to upgrade. Okay, and I want to add a subheading, and I will say and get 85% commissions. Okay, now update and close, and here is my button. Now I want to go to spacing, and I want to have a top and bottom margin of 20 pixels, like so. Then I want to change the text size to 32. I want to change the font to moderate, and the font weight is bold or extra bold, like so. So I think, let me see how responsive this is on the iPad, and let me decrease the size in the phone real quick, like so, 17 pixels. So toggle on the responsiveness, and I want to have an embed code, which is, yeah, code embed. Drag it and drop it down below. Click on the embed code, click on config, and paste the promotional tools embed code, and click on save. And I think you are done now creating the front end thank you page. As simple as it is. So click on save and publish it. Now the site is published. Let me check this page in a new tab, and here it is. Let me see how the promotional tools is working. I need to sign up to the funnel, and now it's loading with my affiliate link and my promotional tools like the swipes and the banners and the articles and so on. Okay, so let me create the thank you page of the OTO. So let me go back to assets and funnels and the thank you page of the OTO, and first let me clone this block. Click on clone or add to clipboard, go to assets, funnels, and OTO thank you page. Click on the plus, clipboard blocks, and insert this block. Okay, and here what I want to do is I want to remove this button. Click on the embed code, and I want to have a spacing, a top and bottom margin of 40 pixels, and I think that is it. Now let me I think I still didn't create the promotional tools of the 85%, so I will keep this embed code the same, but you should create the promotional tools of the 85% commissions. Okay, so let me click on save, and that is it really. Let me go to the body. I forgot to change the background like so. Now click on publish, and now the site is published. You can view it in a new tab and see how it looks. So yeah, I think it is that simple really. Next I want to go to assets. Now the groove page is slow. I think it is because I am recording. So go to assets, funnels, and thank you Downsell. Click on the plus, clipboard blocks, and insert my block. And like I said, it is the same. So remove this, and I want to have a spacing here to 20 pixels, top and bottom margin, and that is it really. Don't forget to add the promotional tools of the 85% commissions product funnel. Okay, so let me save this. I'm sorry, I forgot to go to body and change the background also here. And I think that is it really. Click on save. Now the funnel of the product funnel of the 50% commissions tier, it is done and created. Now go and do the same for the 85% commissions. Okay, just do the same. And I think that is it really. And also change the links and so on, and change the checkout links. I think by now you know how to create the 85% product funnel yourself. Okay, so I think I am done with this video. I mean, it took me like a week or two to create this video, and I hope you like this video for more content just like this, guys. Okay, so yeah guys, I will see you in the next video, guys, in the last part, which is the automation. Goodbye guys.